Puppies, especially ones under 6 months old, bite things a lot because they're teething. While you can't stop a puppy from biting completely, you can train it not to bite too hard and to focus its biting on chew toys. Whenever your puppy bites down hard enough to hurt you, yell, "Ouch!" or "That hurt," so it knows you're in pain. Then, pull away and ignore your puppy for a few minutes. Over time, your puppy will learn that biting too hard can hurt people and that it won't get your attention if it keeps doing it. If your puppy is biting on something it's not supposed to, like your hand or your shoes, try redirecting its attention to a chew toy instead. Put the toy in its mouth and move it around to make it seem fun and exciting. If your puppy plays with the chew toy, give it a treat to reinforce the good behavior. Eventually, your puppy will learn that it gets rewards and attention when it chews on toys, and it should stop biting people and objects around the house as much.